Welcome to Dentist Stack. I'm Aditi, and today we'll explore how you can monitor and review a patient's aligner change and take appropriate action. Let's get started. Firstly, one day prior to each patient's aligner change, you'll receive an email and a notification on your dashboard in the update section. When a patient makes an aligner change, you can find updates about it on your dashboard in the aligner change updates section. By clicking on View Change, you can access detailed information about the aligner change, including whether the aligner change was made early, on time, or late, a comparison of actual and recommended change dates, progress photographs uploaded by the patient, which can help you monitor progress in aligner fit. These images are also available in the gallery within the respective aligner folder. You can review specific details about each aligner, such as fit of the aligner, any issues reported by the patient during the aligner change process, notes added by the patient. Additionally, information about compliance with the previous aligner and average wear time is provided for reference. After reviewing the aligner change details, you can validate the change to indicate that it has been reviewed and approved by you. Alternatively, you can provide feedback by adding comments before or after validating the aligner change. Upon validation, the entry and aligner change section of the dashboard is removed. Patients can view the feedback comments you've provided and reply to them, fostering threaded communication. Additionally, you can communicate with them via chat. If you need to revisit details of a previous aligner change, you can access it from the timeline section in a patient's profile. We have covered the patient profile section in a separate video. And that's it. With this feature, aligner changes can be efficiently managed and reviewed with you, providing effective feedback on the patient's progress. If you have any concerns or questions, do reach out to us through our chat assist site. Thank you for trusting us with your aligner practice. Happy dentistry!